So you can sit in a meditation pose if it's possible for you to sit in Padmasana, or you don't have any knee problem, hip problem, you can sit in Vajrasana. But those who cannot do either of these two things can just sit simple cross-legged, which is Sukhasana. First you have to take this position, then keep your both hands in Chin Mudra. 4 finger touching the base of the thumb, 3 fingers pointing outward. In some other video, I will explain the purpose and the effects of Chin Mudra. And then you should ensure that your head is up, spine is straight, body erect, but completely relaxed. That's very important. So gently close your eyes and quickly run your awareness throughout your body. Wherever you feel any tightness, tension, just relax it. Relax your lower back, relax full back, relax your shoulders, relax your jaws, unclench your teeth, relax full area around the eyes, whole body completely relaxed. Once you have achieved this, keeping your eyes closed, all pranayam is done with eyes closed, and all pranayam starts first with the left nostril, whereas most asanas start with the right side of your body. So the first stage of Nadi Shodhan is you place these 2 fingers, your middle finger and your ring finger, at your eyebrow center. Use your thumb to close your right nostril, use your ring finger to close your left nostril. And then the first stage of Nadi Shodhan is just your breathing in and breathing out through your left nostril. You inhale. It has to be a very normal, natural inhale, but your attempt should be to make it maximum, but without making a sound or using force, or not like this. Just you're relaxed, only your breath is deep, and then you keep counting to the rhythm of seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, whether you've inhaled 6 seconds, 8 seconds, and then you exhale equal number of seconds. 1 inhale, exhale is 1 round. Do 5 rounds with your left nostril, and then similarly do 5 rounds with your right nostril. Equal inhale, exhale, simply this. And then the second stage of your Nadi Shodhan Pranayam after single nostril breathing will be inhale, exhale through both nostril, again with counting to the rhythm of seconds and making your inhale and exhale equal, but also as long as it is comfortably possible. So this is simply the first 2 stages of Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. The techniques are not difficult. The point in this, to make it effective, is how consistently do you do your practice and how consistently you progress in the various stages. Within the various stages is so much to go on practicing and progressing that you might take even years to get to the real higher and higher levels. So please do practice, keep watching these videos to get full benefit and really powerful benefits for your brain, body, nervous system, everything. Stay healthy, stay happy. Hari Om, Tat Sat.